this is Samina Sheikh, and with me today I have Ruhi Singh on E Times, welcoming her on E Times right now. So, Ruhi, you look dapper. You are like completely ready for the Miss Diva grand event. How does it feel?
It feels absolutely surreal, and I'm so excited because this year we have a very good batch. So I can't wait to see who really wins. But all the girls in my eyes are winners.
Ruhi, you have been on this platform already. You have, been a part of this. So, does that give you jitters when you see these girls walking the ramp, trying to win the award?
Well, I would say being Miss India is the greatest achievement of my life, and nothing. It's totally unmatched. I am who I am because of the Miss India organization. Eternally grateful, and I think these girls are very lucky to be on this platform. Absolutely, when I look at them, it does. It makes me nostalgic, but at the same time, I've always been very much in touch. Coming here every year. So yes, it's very exciting and thrilling at the same time.
Winning the title is not that easy. You have to go through a lot of practice and all, and practice, of course, makes you a woman perfect. So, how was that experience for you altogether?
See, I would say Miss India changed my life, not just for the glamour world or for acting. It builds you up. You enter as a girl and you exit as a woman, a confident woman, on her journey to success in whatever she chooses to do in life. So yes, it's difficult, but no great things are easy.
Of course, that's very true. And you have already made a career in Bollywood. You have done web series. You have been part of a lot of projects. How does that feel?
It feels great. There's still a long, long way to go. The journey has been absolutely exciting. There's been ups and downs. There's been highs and lows, and it's still going on. And I can't wait for 2022 because I have some really exciting projects releasing in 22. Actually, 21 was, I would say, a life-changing year for me. In terms of all three of my web series came out, they released, one after the other. The audience liked it, they accepted me. So it's been really good so far, and I hope to go even more far in life.
How does it feel like, being a part of the glamour world? And, of course, it has its pros and cons, and you have already spoken about that. So, how do you deal with that? Because on a daily basis, you have to go through a lot of things, to be a part of the glamour world.
Well, I would say just keep at it. In life, it's very important to be consistent, to be determined. Your willpower is what will take you ahead and not just your talent. So you got to keep on working at it. Also, the most important point to remember that I think Miss India taught me is you got to have your own back. You have to motivate yourself. You have to wake up every day with a sense of, oh, I'm going to be better than yesterday. So that is something that Miss India teaches you, to be the best version of yourself. So that teaching, I still take with me, and it's really, really helped me.
Talking about your upcoming projects, you're going to surprise us with a lot of things.
Yes.
So, tell us something. Give us a hint of it.
Very soon all of you will know, and I can't wait to reveal it, but I'm not allowed to. What I can say is that the film I'm doing is very exciting, and there's another project which I'm very nervous about because I've never done anything of that sort before. So that will also come out end of this year.
What kind of projects interest you?
Acting is in my veins, it's in my blood. In 21, I've had 3 releases. All 3, I played different characters. One, I'm a cop. One, I'm a victim of the dark web. And then there was an avatar of me that nobody could ever imagine. I play a Bihari and, a girl from Patna. So it was very exciting. So basically being on set, acting is what I love, and I never judge the characters I play. The storyline is very important, the script is very important, and that's pretty much my playground.
Thank you so much for your time and all the best for projects. And I'm hoping to see a lot of projects from your end.
Thank you. I'm hoping to. Thanks.
Thank you. Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here from E Times, and with me today I have Adeline Castellino, who looks lovely, who's dressed like a diva, totally diva, and she's come for the Miss Diva Sub-Contest event. Welcoming her on E Times. Hi, Adeline.
Thank you, Samina. You're looking wonderful yourself. And I'm so excited to be here because just a year or 2 years before we were there in the same place. And I can't wait to see the girls, right? It's just so exciting.
How excited are you to see the performances of the girls, though?
I think they have amazing people on board. We have Abhishek and we have Demi. So I can't wait for the girls to sizzle, to be their self, their diva. So I can't wait for that. Really excited.
Your journey has been quite inspiring for a lot of people. The way you have won, the way you have, topped the charts, and the way you actually, established yourself, during this pandemic. That was, really awesome. So how did you make it?
I think the journey has taught me that no matter what happens to you, you need to move forward and you need to take whatever is given to you and make the best use out of it. And I think that's what the girls are doing today. And I can't wait to sit and cheer for them and to really give that strength back to them that was given to me, the kind of love and support that was given to me.
And Adeline, you seem to be quite an exciting person on Instagram for sure. You love going to hiking, you love like traveling, you love like, enjoying the fun. So when it
Absolutely.
comes to your hectic schedule and, managing your personal life, how do you do that?
I think the answer is balance. I think we work very hard. All of us work really hard. If we don't take that one day off to kind of do what we really want, to go out trekking, to do something that makes us happy, I think that really changes our personal and professional life. So that's what I do. Make time off.
What are
You
your...
one day. I'll take you
I'm
one day.
sure, I'm sure. I'm going to join you for sure because I love trekking for sure. But what are your upcoming projects? What are you working on currently?
So right now I'm working on getting into the movie line of things, getting into the entertainment line of things. So I'm really excited for it. At the same time, I'm learning a lot about people around and learning about a lot of things that is very new to me. But I'm thankful to Miss Diva, Miss India organization for giving me this platform, for
And
sure.
what's exciting you when it comes to your Bollywood journey? Because that's just going to begin soon.
I think it's about understanding how you fit into the whole dynamics of this entire industry. I think that's very exciting for me, and I know that I have a lot to give to the industry, and that's what I'm focusing on at the moment.
And one word for the Miss Divas out there who are actually running for the contest and of course, wanting to be the winner.
I think a lot of times we are told to just be ourselves. What I've really understood is that you need to be very kind towards yourself. The love that you want to give to people starts from inside. That's how you will be able, whether you become the winner or you don't become the winner, at the end of the day you need to show love towards yourself and love to people around. So that's something that I want to tell the girls, not to take it as to be a winner regardless of what happens to them. So I hope that I get to meet them in person and tell them that.
The year is almost coming to end. Have you made any plans for the New Year's this time? Because it's completely different.
Wow, that actually hit me. I should make a really good plan, right? Something about going out in the nature and trying something new this time. Yes.
Thank you so much, Adeline, for your time and all the very
Always a
best.
pleasure
And
talking
hope
to
to
you.
see you soon.
Yes.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
I'm very excited. I haven't actually seen all the girls. I've been a part of their talent round, which was very happening. And as far as I know from the previous year, this time the competition is a lot. I see very competitive girls. So let's see who wins. I think end of the day, it's all about the attitude of the girl, the way she's confident. And we never know at the end moment who comes out, who shines out. So I think the big day is going to come soon. But today I'm excited to see all of them back again once again. So let's see. और the most important tips मैं देना चाहता हूँ is they being themselves. जब the person when they're being themselves are very confident. That is very important. The way they plan things, I think the way they wear the clothes, everything matters a lot, even the makeup. So I think the one who's very congenial, confident, and being herself will matter the most.
मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स को देखने के लिए एंड फाइनली हु विंस द क्राउन इज़ गोना बी एक्साइटिंग एंड आई एम गोना बी मीटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ माय पीपल आई हैव नोन फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम तो उनसे मिलने के लिए भी मैं काफ़ी उत्साहित हूँ Well, I feel the fact that they've made it up to here is a big achievement, accomplishment in itself, and they should just enjoy every moment tonight and just feel happy. And when you're happy, you give your best. So I think, yeah, just they've done enough. They've done their job. Just time to shine right now. Yes, I'm just very grateful कि शो काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहा है, सबको पसंद आ रहा है, हमने बहुत मेहनत से बनाया है, मुझे पर्सनली देखने में बहुत मज़ा आया एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट सबको देखने में भी मज़ा आ रहा है. इट्स गेटिंग सम ग्रेट रिव्यूज़. इन प्रोग्रेस. यस, मेरी नई ऐड आई है, इनफैक्ट आपने देखा उसे?
We are incredibly excited, and I think you can see that in our body language. We can't wait to meet the girls, to see them, because this is going to go on their heads. So we're going to
very
look,
soon.
Yeah.
And we are very nostalgic. This is the first time we are seeing them perform on the stage for the first time. And I think we're also kind of looking for our successors. So it's going to be a tough night, ladies, but very enjoyable. We are very nostalgic also because Bombay party was the party जहाँ हमने अपनी journey start की थी, right? So just all the best to all of the girls. Enjoy it, rock it.
Finally, so would you like to say something? Any tips? Getting any tips? Anyone?
I think it's very important for them to be happy, to really enjoy this process, because at the end of the day there'll be one winner. But I want for all of these women to know that a contest doesn't decide your value in life. Just have fun. You're meeting girls from different parts of India. Have good time with them and do your best.
I'm going to say everything that Adeline said, and also don't forget to look at the judges, girls, because sometimes you forget and then you forget who is really marking on you on, and we've made this mistake and learned from it, so this is the tip that I'll give you.